Today, there are more people streaming video than there are watching regular TV. Average time spent with OTT is 62 minutes a day. That's up 23% over just last year. If you're not buying online video ads, you are missing cord cutters who don't watch broadcast or even subscribe to cable. Over the top is an umbrella term for video programming transmitted through the internet. It bypasses traditional cable or broadcast distribution. It can be consumed on any device, including computers, mobile devices, TVs, gaming systems. Inside of these programs, you can serve your customer a 15 or 30-second video ad, inviting them to shop with you or use your company's services. CTV, also known as connected TV, is the most desired type of OTT by advertisers and has the highest ROI. You can stream OTT ads on a connected TV using devices like Chromecast, Roku, Apple TV, Fire TV Stick, and more. The 15 or 30-second ads run inside of thousands of publishers like Sling, Pluto, and channels like A&E, AMC, Discovery, ESPN, Fox, CNN, and Food Network. The ads are unskippable inventory because they're on connected TVs. The ads are essentially like TV ads presented in shows you're watching and could be in an advertising pod with other ads. 83% of households have at least one connected TV. 80% of adults watch video using a connected TV at least once a week. 57% of connected TV viewers said they see ads for products they are interested in. 95% of marketers reported CTV achieved desired key performance indicators. Of course, traditional TV ads are not as targeted as online video ads. Inside of the geography that you want to reach, you can layer in any of thousands of behavioral targeting strategies to reach your next perfect customer. This is showing your video ads to specific consumers based on their previous behaviors and what they've shown an interest in. There are over 100,000 targeting categories to choose from, and you can also use artificial intelligence to find the optimal audience. Let's say in the last 30 to 90 days, I read reviews on several dining room tables. As a consumer, I've now left a breadcrumb of data about my behavior. That data includes my online actions or what I research, browse, and maybe even buy. Where we've been with our phones, the apps that we use, the forms that we fill out, the memberships we sign up for, and more. All of this information is then compiled into behavioral categories of people that can be targeted with your ads. In addition to just showing someone your ads that you know is in market for your product, now you can see if it worked and turn those video ad dollars into a trackable campaign. You can target the perfect consumer and then tell if they actually came into your storefront. Our OTT behavioral categories are created from a pool of first-party data where we've collected the mobile device IDs of those people. Then, those mobile IDs are mapped to their corresponding household IP addresses. If that IP address is served your OTT ad on one of their connected TV devices, and that person then goes to your location with their mobile device active, it's recorded as an on-site visit. In addition to behaviorally targeting your next customer, you could also reach people from a list you have using Amazon targeting. Maybe it's a list of people who have visited your store and have been approved for credit, but they never actually used it. You can take that list of customer emails or addresses, match them to Amazon users, and show your OTT ads across thousands of Amazon partner apps. It's called Amazon Custom Audience Matching, and it's currently the only way to reach people on streaming with a list of addresses. More people now stream video each week than watch regular TV. If you are not over-the-top advertising, you're missing out on reaching those potential customers with unskippable, behaviorally targeted advertising.